Hey guys, it's me, that Lunar Hawk, or just Lunar Hawk. And today I'm going to be unboxing the Sound Machine, Fart Edition. That sounds so good. Well, you might know, or completely know me well that I love farts. So, I got it! Yay! It's 6+. I am older than 6 years old. So you know that already. So let's start opening. So it has 9 awesome fart sounds, perfect for public transportation pranks. Okay, so let's just open this thing. I got 3. Yay! Yay! So, okay, well done. Ripping is fun. Okay. That works. I'm just gonna use the scissors. I use scissors. I don't know how to Oh, don't do this. No good. I can't open it. Oh. I did it! With no difficulty. Kind of lies. So it's a little machine that looks kind of like a phone. I'm going to use a lot of pranks on this. So, farts. I'm going to try all the sounds. So button number 1, right there. Sounds like a normal fart. Button number 2, this one. Sounds like a big butt farts. Button number 3, over here. I can't do this now. Here. Sounds like, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna try this one. That is just not normal at all. It's just not normal. Okay, let's try number 5. Right, the double fart. Number 6 is one fart. And number 7 is sounds like a hold-in fart. Number 8 sounds like a fart you would never want to get out. And then the last button right there is how I fart. Yay! I don't have the normal sound machine. I just have this sound machine. So it's at Chapters in the kids section. So if you want it, you know where to get it. And you have to get it in Canada. That's where I found it. Bye guys, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for farts.